people. So this morning when I woke up, I got a bit of a shock that basically a stray cat managed to come inside my house and it ate one of my rabbits. Yeah, it ate the female rabbit. I don't know, I'm at the point of tears right now. And that idiot cat, I just saw it walk past. I was googling what should you do, and I yelled at the cat like, it should know it is not welcome to come into the house again. This is so weird, yeah. So I was wondering whether or not to make a video on it, but I felt I should. Anybody who's lost a rabbit like this, would you know what needs to be done? And the stupid cat, I don't know how it's going to leave the house because it is so. And it knew where the front door is, so that means it must be used to going to people's front door like that. It's come from the balcony, obviously, but it is so disturbing. So, anyway, people, I'll catch you all in my next video. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.